Light and creamy, these lemon bars are a sweet and refreshing summer treat you can easily make at home. Elena Davis is here sharing her recipe for creamy frozen lemon bars, and I'm told this recipe is one that dates back like 30 years in your family.
Even more. So this is actually, normally we're pasta and Italian. Well, we're switching gears a little bit to Jordan's side of the family, where we bring in a lot of traditions as well.
Okay.
So this comes from his grandmother, Rhea.
Grandma Rhea.
Yes, Grandma Rhea, from Idaho Falls. And I loved her. She was such a dear woman. And she has several really famous recipes that are famous in Idaho and here, just for people sharing. And it's in all, you know, the cookbooks that you pass around, and this is one of them. And it is so easy to make. It's refreshing. It's no bake, perfect for summer. We make it all the time. I bring it to functions. It's just a really great recipe. You put it in a tray, you know, a baking pan. It's easy to transport, but really, it's so fun to see Amelie, my daughter's grandma now, so Jordan's mom. So it's just generations are now making this recipe, and Amelie helped me make this.
It's the best part of food.
It's just kind of fun,
yeah, those traditions and those stories and those memories most of all. Now, anything with a graham cracker crust, I'm in.
Okay, so
I'm in.
This is very graham cracker-y and butter-y.
Good.
So it is going to stick to the bottom of your pan and stay firm while it's frozen. Okay. And then come out like a clean cut when you cut it. So this is the base. We just have butter, however you want to make your graham cracker crust. I put them in a big Ziploc bag with a rolling pin, just the old-fashioned way, but you can do it in a mixer or whatever people do nowadays. But anyway, that's how Grandma Rhea did it.
We love it. What goes into the lemon part?
Okay, so there's 3 parts, and it's really easy. So the first part is egg yolks.
Okay.
And a lot of lemon juice and lemon zest.
Now, people might be saying, wait a minute, egg yolks raw?
Okay, yes. Yeah. And egg whites whipped. So here's a little lesson for you.
Please.
The cleanest, most sterile part of an egg is the inside. So you will never get salmonella, or you'll never get sick from the inside of an egg. In fact, it is so protected, it is literally just the purest form of any kind of food you can get, because it's protected in the shell. How, you know, why people think that you can get sick from it is actually when it comes in contact with the outer shell. So make sure you buy pasteurized eggs. Make sure that when you're using raw eggs in a dessert like tiramisu or this, which we're very used to eating all the time, make sure to wash the shell, dry it. You will not have any problems.
Okay,
like I said, this has been going on for quite a while.
So egg yolks, lemon.
Yes, and
egg whites whipped.
Egg whites whipped, so you'll know when they're whipped.
When you can do that.
When you can do that, it's almost like a meringue, and you're just going to slowly incorporate. There's so much lemon juice in here as well, and that helps with the egg, you know, issue that people have problems with. And then also
the acidity does, or
yep, the acidity. Yep. So now I'm just folding. I like to do a figure 8. You first want to mix the egg whites and the egg yolks and the lemon juice together until combined before adding it to the cream. If you just add lemon juice and egg yolk, lemon juice to the whipped cream, which is our last mixture, you risk getting some possible curdling from the acid in the lemon juice and the fresh cream.
So incorporate that nice and well first.
Yes.
The lemon is hitting me. It's lovely.
Oh, yes. There's a lot of lemon, and that's how it's flavored. Just pure and natural lemon juice and lemon zest. No artificial anything in here. No artificial colors to make it yellow. I use really good quality eggs, and so that's why there's this natural, look at that yolk. That color is all from the yolk.
Beautiful.
And lastly, we are going to slowly incorporate this mixture into our whipping cream.
So it's just about layering and kind of putting it together in the right order. You refrigerate it, freeze it?
So this is a frozen dessert. So after this all comes together, I pour it into my my crust. And can you just smell that?
It's delicious.
Oh my gosh.
It really is. It's a lovely summer scent.
It's just so light, you know, after you've had a barbecue or, you know, your pasta salad, you just kind of finish it off.
And a little graham cracker on top?
Light, yes, and then you save.
I?
Yes, absolutely. Well, I'm just finishing up.
You're getting your arm workout today, and I'm eating the calories. I should be the one stirring.
No. So
Oh, that is lovely.
Do you love it?
It's delicious.
It's just so light, right?
It's perfect. Yes.
So anytime I make this, my kids just go crazy. It's just a recipe everyone will love. Who doesn't love lemon? And this is so refreshing. Now here
I'm going to make this over and over again.
I know, that's what we do. So here we go. This is just my favorite part is when it just, it's so lush. Can you just use that word? It's just like one of my favorite words. So it's
I mean, you can, but I'm still eating, so please keep talking. This is so delicious.
So it's light, it's creamy, it's all the things, and then all you do is pop it in your freezer so you're not turning on your oven. It's just easy peasy, great for Father's Day, 4th of July.
Thank you so much. This is so good.
Okay, and then you just spread it, spread it, spread it.
This
and
recipe
now this just
is on our website.
In the freezer.
Oh, love it. You'll get the exact measurements and quantities that you're after on the Studio 5 website. And please follow Elena. You're sharing wonderful family recipes like this all of the time.
Thanks so much.
How can we find you?
Yes, cucinabyelena.com. And on Instagram, I'm really active, always sharing tips and videos. If you go to my website right now, there's lots of summer recipes. I wrote a post, 34 Italian-inspired summer recipes.
Amazing.
All right there in one place. And
That's
if you go to the shop on my website, there's 3 new fun products for summer. These cute little tote bags. You can take them around everywhere. They're great. So it's all on the website.
Find her
and
there.
Instagram.
We'll link you over. I learned so much from her just through Instagram. Thank you.
You're
I'm
welcome.
like scraping my plate. That was delicious.